the commercial building world, drywall is used to wrap columns to conceal steel beams and is an easy and inexpensive way to top off masonry walls above ceilings. Drywall is also used to add fire resistance at walls and ceilings, containing the spread of fire so people can evacuate safely during an emergency. Uses. Walls. Drywall panels can be used to create interior walls, including arches, eaves, and other architectural features. Ceilings. Drywall panels can be used to create suspended or drop ceilings. Access panels. Drywall access panels are small doors that provide access to electrical outlets, plumbing components, and other systems behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Fire resistance. Drywall panels are fire resistant and can release steam when heated. Insulation. Drywall panels can provide acoustic and thermal insulation. Design. Drywall panels can be used to create design features and add style to walls. Benefits. Quick and easy installation. Drywall panels are quick and easy to install. Durable. Drywall panels are durable and require simple repairs when damaged. Cost efficient. Drywall panels can save on construction costs, water consumption, and manpower. Lightweight. Drywall panels are lightweight, which can reduce labor costs and storage space. Faster construction. With the drywall panels designed and kept ready early, when the drywall installation is being executed anywhere, the boards are directly attached over the steel frame and do not have to be layered. Unlike the traditional walls, you do not need layers upon layers for a clean finish. This makes the whole process of installation much faster than building a brick and cement wall. When looking to have your space ready in a quicker span of time, you have drywalls to the rescue. Better comfort. A modern technology created to provide utmost comfort. The drywalls are designed in a unique manner. With gypsum being the base of a drywall partition, they keep external sounds at bay, providing acoustic efficiency. The drywalls trap any external or internal sound between the board and the truss, thus giving you much calmer spaces. Additionally, they have the ability to trap heat in between the same space, which helps in case of a fire situation and helps safeguard you. Drywall panels allows you the freedom to design your walls your way. Unlike the traditional walls, you don't have to stick with just paint. Give your imagination free rein with gypsum drywall. Build in a way that gives a clean, sleek finish to any space the drywall partitions are installed in. Make it your canvas, Picasso, and watch how wonderful the finish looks. Cost efficient. The process of installing drywall in any space is quick and clean, which leads to saving a lot. Manpower hours are saved as drywall is quick to install. All that is needed to be done is the installation of the truss and the wall over it. Since you don't need to wait for layers of cement to dry, the process needs much less labor. The entire structure is built in a way that helps reduce the cost. Drywall in your space, you get your own design flexibility. Be it a curved wall or dividing a room into two smaller rooms, get it done easily with a drywall partition. Unlike the conventional wall, drywall does not restrict the change in room design on supporting rooms. Since the process is also quite quick, adding unique design elements or a small cubicle for yourself is quick and sleek with drywalls. Lightweight, designed keeping in mind the modern homes and their structures, drywall panels are extremely lightweight. They are designed with the intention of quick and mason-free installation in any space. This helps reduce the masonry cost involved in its installation as well as the transportation cost. The drywall is the perfect addition to new age spaces, be it an office or a home.